Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Good morning. Starting off the morning a little wet and soggy across the air with temperatures in the middle 50s in most spots. Wise at 54, Tri-Cities at 56 this morning. And the rainfall is going to continue for the next couple of days. As we go look ahead at their next 3-day forecast, rainy days are ahead of us. And with that threat for the rain, we could see a little bit of isolated minor flooding. And so because of that, the National Weather Service issued a flood watch. That's going to be in effect through Wednesday morning. And then after that flood risk moves through, a winter's chill comes our way, especially late in the week. Temperatures drop back to around normal. So not really winter, but just around normal. It's going to feel like winter after those 60s and near 70-degree temperatures we had over the weekend. Checking out your severe threat tracker. We're in the medium alert level for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with that flood watch in effect and the pockets of heavy rainfall potentially moving through our area. So as we alert you to severe weather danger that could impact you or your family, we look at where the flood watch is in effect. It's for all of Northeast Tennessee and portions of Southwest Virginia. You notice Southeast Kentucky not included in that, and Dickinson, Buchanan, Tazewell, Smith, Grayson counties also not included. You're under a different Weather Service office, so they didn't issue one, but the Weather Service in Morristown did, so portions of our area included, other portions are not. Regardless of whether you're in a flood watch or not, we're going to see rainfall across the whole area this afternoon, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Already have some rain on Max Alert Radar this morning. We had a band of heavy rain that moved through during the overnight hours. You see it's now across portions of North Carolina, but Johnson City, Bristol, Kingsport, Gate City, Rogersville, Baileyton, still seeing some light to moderate rainfall this morning, and there's more rain to the west as a cold front is off to our west, a stationary front over us, and then another trailing cold front to the east that sets up the conditions favorable for more heavy rainfall this afternoon and into tomorrow. Future track showing that pretty well. Note as we go towards the lunchtime hour, the rainfall gets a little more scattered. It's not going to be a widespread rain like we saw during the overnight, but we will see periods of rainfall at times in certain locations and more of the scattered variety. So grab the umbrella, keep it with you because you'll need it at times through today, but not all day long. If you were to happen to stand outside all day long, you don't expect to get wet the whole time. But as we go into the overnight hours, the rain will likely pick back up towards Tuesday morning, leaving us with more pockets of heavy rainfall potentially before the cold front finally sweeps through on Wednesday, helping to lower our rain chances. How much rainfall could we see? Maybe 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the region. As we go through Tuesday, maybe an additional 1 inch of rainfall after that. So storm total upwards of 3 inches possible. Temperatures this afternoon in the middle to upper 50s. 48 in Marion, though. Tonight, 47 in Marion, 44 in Boone. Temperatures a little bit cooler east of the Blue Ridge as the winds come out of the east and cause you guys to be a little bit cooler. So the bottom line in all this, cloudy, mild, and muggy today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Wet at times, but not all the time. Some minor flooding of streams and road ponding is possible. Flash flooding, though, is unlikely, but it wouldn't shock me to see 1 or 2 flood advisories issued for those typical flood-prone locations. Check out your Storm Track 5 7-day forecast. 60% chance of rain today, tomorrow 50% on Wednesday. After that, the temperatures start to go down a little bit. As we go towards Thursday, 46 for an afternoon high. That is below normal. Then we get back to near normal as we go later into the week for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looking pretty nice for the weekend right now after we get done with the rain the next couple of days.
Very nice, and just have your umbrellas handy throughout the day.
For sure.
Thanks, Ricky.